Imagine you are sitting inside your own home with your kids and suddenly you hear something outside 10 rounds fired at your front gate. That is exactly what happened to Rihanna and ASAP Rocky on March 8th. And now, 2 weeks later, the world wants to know one thing: is Rihanna's family safe and what is she doing about it? Stay with me because what happened next will truly surprise you. Early this month, a serious security incident took place near Rihanna's private residence in Beverly Hills, California. A 35-year-old woman identified as Ivana Ortiz was taken into custody by law enforcement after the incident. At the time, Rihanna, her partner ASAP Rocky, their three young children aged 3, 2, and 6 months, as well as family members and household staff were all present at the property. Thankfully, no one was physically harmed. However, the emotional impact on the family has been significant, and that is what we are focusing on today. According to sources, speaking to People magazine, Rihanna has been deeply shaken by this experience. Insiders describe her as frightened and struggling to understand why her family would be targeted in this way. As a mother of three very young children, the priority for both of her and ASAP Rocky right now is creating a sense of calm and safety, particularly for the kids who are far too young to understand what happened. She reportedly postponed a scheduled photo shoot in the days following the incident, a clear sign that she is allowing herself time to process this emotionally, which is completely understandable. What this family is going through is something no parent should ever have to experience. In the days following the incident, the family has significantly upgraded their security arrangements. When Rihanna and ASAP Rocky were spotted together publicly in New York City for the first time since the incident, they were accompanied by a large team of professional security personnel. The couple moved quickly and directly to a waiting vehicle, a sign that they are taking every precaution to keep themselves and their children protected. Sources indicate that the family is now operating with an entirely new level of security at their home, and when they travel, this kind of response is very common among high profile individuals who experience security threats, and it reflects just how seriously they are taking the safety of their family. On the legal side, here is where the case currently stands. The suspect Ivana Ortiz has been charged with multiple serious felony counts by the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office. These charges include attempted murder and multiple counts of assault, covering each individual who was present at the property at the time of the incident. The district attorney leading this case is Alexander Vogt, a seasoned prosecutor with significant experience in high profile cases in Los Angeles. A protective order has been issued, legally required to suspect to have no contact with Rihanna, ASAP Rocky, and their home. And importantly, the arraignment, which is the formal court hearing where the suspect enters a plea, is scheduled for March 25th. That is just a few days away. We will be monitoring the case closely and will bring you an update as soon as the hearing concluded. This case raises an important broader conversation about the safety of public figures and what it remains to raise a family in the public eye. Rihanna has built a remarkable life as an artist, as an entrepreneur, and as a mother. And like any parent, her instinct is to protect her children above everything else. The Los Angeles DA's office has made it clear that incidents like this will be fully prosecuted, sending a strong message threatening any family in any neighborhood carries serious legal consequences for Rihanna and ASAP Rocky. The focus right now is on healing, on rebuilding a sense of normalcy for their children, and on moving forward, and that ultimately is the most important part of this story. That is everything we know right now about Rihanna's family safety situation and the upcoming court's proceedings. Thank you for the watching. Take care.